Kung hindi natin iniwasan yon, lahat ng puting areas, dinagdagan ng blush, magiging parang flat wash lang yan. Okay? Ang gusto natin talaga, merong dark at saka merong sobrang light. So, make sure you leave some parts white. Okay? Now, after doing that, you can now use your 000 brush to add the veining. Now, paano natin ginagawa yung veins? Freehand drawing 2. Sino mga nag-freehand drawing 2 sa akin dito? Okay. Paano? Naalala nyo pa yung guidelines natin for veining?
One direction.
One direction. Ano pa?
Sa corners lang nagagan.
Ha?
Iba light, iba dark.
Okay, yung iba light, iba dark. Tapos, one direction. At saka, ang pinaka-importante, it goes from one end to one end. Hindi yung nasa gitna lang siya. Na ganyan. Diba? Hindi siya mukhang vein. Diba? So, kailangan from one end to one end, one direction, lahat nung same vein sa isang tile. Tapos, iba-iba yung value niya. Okay. Now, nung freehand 1, inuuna natin yung veins before we add the clouding. Dito, baliktad. Clouding muna bago veins. Pero before, sinabi ko na sa inyo na usually the difference in color, dun nakikita yung veins, diba? So dito, since nakikita na natin kung nasan yung difference in color, alam na natin kung saan mapupunta yung veins. Okay? Now, study it per tile. Now, for this tile, napakadaling tignan. Diba? Pag tinignan niyo siya, merong difference in color dito, merong difference in color dito. So you just choose which one you'd like to use as the basis for your first set of veins. So, get your intended color plus more complementary. Make sure it's pointed and then add your veins. Yeah. So, pwede ka pang magdagdag ng konti pa.